Development of Devin, an AI software engineer created by Cognition Labs. Devin has access to developer tooling and can solve problems like a human software engineer by searching for answers online and writing code in an infinite loop. Devin is currently outperforming other AI tools on the Software Engineering Benchmark, a test that measures an AI's ability to solve real-world issues on GitHub. While Devin is not yet advanced enough to replace most software engineers, it has the potential to do so in the future, especially when combined with other technologies like Google's Alpha Coder. Devin is already taking on real jobs and getting paid for it on Upwork. Cognition Labs is backed by notable investors, including Peter Thiel's Founders Fund and the Callis brothers from Stripe. Another stealth startup, Magic Dodev, has also received significant funding and has a shared investor with Mistral and Perplexity AI. There is a high probability that Silicon Valley will replace programmers with AI. While some believe that AI will make coding an archaic skill, there are potential solutions to this, such as a dimethyltryptamine-based gene therapy that rewires the brain for optimal coding performance.